boys and girls? Welcome back to another video with Angel Reese. What's going on? Yes, what's up? Alright, so for today, alright, today's a good day. Alright, I'm feeling it, you're feeling it, let's all go get to work, alright? So today's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna do a little workout, alright? It's called What's Your Name, alright? So as you see in the shirt, okay, give me 1 second, alright? Ready? And, alright, there it is. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. So for this workout, it's called What's Your Name, alright? So the way this works is, let's say my name is Angel, right? Correct? Alright, so A, that's the first letter of my name, 10 jumping jacks, right? Okay, so N, I'm doing 10 Russian twists, G, 5 squats, E, 5 crunches, right? And then L, 5-second plank. So that's gonna be my workout. Now you can do this, you can do 3 sets, 2 sets, whatever you like. You can even do your last name. My last name is Ruiz, so that'll be R-U-I-Z. I can do that workout. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stretches. First things first, you don't want to tear a muscle or anything, so we're gonna go touch your toes, all right? Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and do right over left. All right, we're gonna do each hamstring on each leg. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now we're gonna do left over right. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my name. Alright, now there might be some workouts here that you might not know, but if you have access to a phone or internet, just look them up. It's not hard. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. My first name is Angel, so let's gonna start with A. That's 10 jumping jacks. Alright, so here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, this next one is called Russian twists. Alright, we're gonna do 10. Now, if you don't know what that is, that's fine. Just go ahead and follow with me. Alright, so here we go. This is also N, okay, guys? Now, with this workout, you can have something in your hand, something with a little bit more weight. Alright, we're gonna do this. Now, we're gonna do 10 of those. Ready? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now that we did A and N, we're gonna go ahead and move on to G. Now G is 5 squats. Now remember guys, if 5 squats is a little bit too low, you wanna try to push yourself. You can do 10, you can do 15, 20, whatever you like, all right? And you wanna feel that. So for I'm gonna go ahead and do 10. All right, so squats, just simple squats, go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to my letter E. That's gonna be 5 crunches, all right? So crunches, we're going to go down. All right, now we're just gonna go here, pick up our legs, just like that. You can do 10, whatever you'd like, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, so for the last one, all right, L, that's gonna be a 5-second plank for me. You can go 10, you can go as long as you want, all right? Just try to push yourself, all right? So here we go. Plank, go here, and then just straight, stay straight. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so you just saw me do my name, right? I did it 1 time, I did 1 rep. Now you can do 1 rep, 2 rep, 3 rep, whatever you like. Just make sure you get it, your name. You can even do your parents, get them involved, make them do it with you, or you can do their name for them, all right? So you can do your last name as well. With that being said, we just want to tell you guys, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for, holding on. We can't wait to see you guys. We miss you guys. We love you guys. And I know I'm speaking on behalf of everybody who works for the BGCM. So you'll be able to find a picture of this on the comments. Post a video. I want to see what you guys do, all right? So that's all I got, guys. It's time for me to go. So we love you guys. We miss you guys. And stay tuned. Adios.